So when we talk about prevention and protection before an incident of any kind happens, what are some of the things you can do, insurance-wise or otherwise, Ed, in order to really cover yourself the best way you can?
Well, first of all, when you purchase your insurance, automobile insurance, you always want to pick full tort, T-O-R-T, full tort. You don't want to take limited tort. Because if you pick limited tort, which is a little cheaper, but if you get involved in a car accident, in most cases, you're precluded from suing the party at fault, the driver that hit you, from suing that person for pain and suffering. Now, if you pick full tort, which is going to be a little more expensive, then you can sue that person for pain and suffering. It is very important. You don't know how many times people call us, having been involved in a car accident, but we can't help them because they chose limited tort instead of full tort.
So full tort is
absolutely
is the real deal, and that's what you've got to do. Is that just for automobile insurance, Al, or is that for any type of accident? Full tort versus limited
That's
tort?
only automobile insurance.
Primarily
yes.
just for automobile insurance?
Yes, auto insurance.
What else would you two say we can do to protect ourselves in advance of any incident, knowing full well we don't know when something's going to happen to us?
We have people come to us all the time and we ask them what sort of insurance they have. Is it full tort or limited tort? And they'll tell us we have full coverage. There's no such thing in Pennsylvania law or anywhere in the United States that's full coverage insurance. You need to review your insurance coverage with your insurance agent and hope they know what they're doing, or call an attorney and ask us. We're more than happy to give you advice as to the sort of coverage that you need to protect you.
In summary, a full tort versus limited tort?
Always pick full tort.
Always pick full tort.
Don't let your insurance agent decide what to choose. You choose full tort.
And that's just in relation to automobile accidents?
That's correct.
Is that correct?
That's correct.
How about full tort versus limited tort, insurance in general, on any other type of accident or injury? Any specifics there, like in automobile insurance?
Okay. So a tort is a civil harm. So under the law, it's called full tort and limited tort. It really should be called full right to sue or limited right to sue. And the legislature initially intended that people would get a percentage reduction in their insurance premiums for their cars if they elect limited tort. And the idea was that if you have a whiplash claim and limited tort, you have decreased premiums, but you give up the right to sue. However, both sides took things too far. The insurance company said that someone who has a broken arm that gets better is not a serious injury. So if you have limited tort, you can't make a claim for pain and suffering. And lawyers have said that if you have a minor injury, it's still a serious one that gives someone a right to sue. And a lot of these issues have been litigated. You avoid that problem completely if you elect full tort when you're purchasing your insurance.
So, of course, in summary, the best thing to do is anyone can call you at any time and there's no charge for initial consultation.
There's never a charge.
Never a charge. In order to ask you these types of questions, even before they've been in an incident, it's a good idea to give you guys a call. Is that
Yes,
right?
we'll be glad to explain it because we want to make sure that everybody on the road is fully protected.